But first, let's get to the first segment of our show. Vivek is joining in with On the Big Wall with all the top stock movers of the day. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. Like you mentioned, the screen actually saw quite a bit of selling pressure in the last hour, and that actually went ahead and skewed a lot of the stocks that were doing very, very well in the session. But despite that, the day actually belonged to the PSUs, as it's been the case the last couple of trading weeks at least. So the first set of stocks, has to be the PSU rally. First up, look at LIC, ONGC, BPCL, Coal India hitting a fresh high in today's trading session. So strong moves seen over there, even though a lot of them gave up quite a lot of the gains in the last hour of the trading session. The next stock on our radar, of course, has to be NHPC. Another PSU gave up quite a bit of gains, but despite that, today has gained over 2.5%. And the stock is up over 70% just this particular year. And the next stock is SJVN. Again, this particular stock almost 80% higher in 2024 itself. The next stock on the radar, the top FNO gainer, when you're talking about the top Nifty gainer as well, Tata Motors, the guidance upgrade coming in from JLR is something that led to quite a bit of consensus upgrades, and the stock ended sharply higher as well. The next stock, one that we didn't discuss too much, but made steady gains throughout the trading session, Aegis Logistics, good Q3, strong results coming in over there. Stock ended higher by close to 6.5%. But on the lower side of the stocks that were losing quite significantly, have a look at the chemical pack, the agrochem pack, and the fertilizer pack. Host of these stocks are quite a bit of selling pressure, of course, led by UPL, Tata Chem, GNFC, GSFC, GHCL. All of these stocks saw significant selling pressure in the session. We will talk about Paytm a little later, but the stock, last three trading sessions, down over 40%. Selling pressure not abating over there. Bank of India, slightly muted set of numbers over there. Morgan Stanley has gone ahead and double downgraded the stock, and slightly muted commentary too. So that particular stock ended sharply lower today. And lastly, Century Plyboards, management alluded that they may not be able to meet the guidance as far as the key metrics are concerned, and that was also another key laggard in the session today.
Vivek, thank you very much for that comprehensive. Shilpa Raut of